Okay then, so I'm the Catman from Catman's Rocks on Voodoo Radio Online, and I'm joined at Firevolt Festival by the one and only Hell's Addiction! Okay then, so you just put one hell of a killer set in there. How did that feel, guys?
Awesome. Felt good. Felt hot.
Warm, hot, good.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that set, guys. Really enjoyed it. So, you've got a new album coming out. Do you want to tell us all about it?
So, it's called 9 O'Clock Horses.
Okay.
And it's based, the title of the album is based on a threat that we had. A threat. That when we were kids, all our dads, if we wouldn't go to bed on time, he would say, 9 o'clock, the 9 o'clock horses will come and get you.
9 o'clock horses.
It was a very believable threat, so we all adhered by it. You know.
And take you to work on a farm, and here we are.
Yeah.
Well, I've heard some Jiminy's, but that tops a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. So what, you know, throughout the whole album, the whole process of recording the very first song to the last song,
We've all lost the dads in time, so it's quite poignant, really.
Yeah.
The early songs here.
So the album is dedicated to the dads. Anyone out there?
Yeah. To every dad.
To every dad.
Dedicated to every
Yeah, a good friend of ours as well. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
He got involved with us, and the curse got him.
Yeah. The curse of 9 o'clock horses.
Hell's Addiction curse.
We didn't go to bed early enough, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want a dad, don't go anywhere near it.
So, I was going to say that was one hell of a killer set. You've got a new album coming out. What's the influence behind the new album then?
Good songs.
Yeah.
Just trying to write the best song we could possibly
Yeah, it's sort of what we like a lot, isn't it? Very selfish music.
It's always been about us though, Luke.
Yeah.
let's get it
You
right.
know what? I think rule number one always is when you write something you personally want to
You
hear.
don't write
Yeah.
to dislike it, do you? You don't write to
No.
go.
Oh, I hate what I've just written. Yeah. So it's it's we're all a product of our influences, every single one of us, and
You hear that in especially like Scream Your Name.
Yeah.
The song Scream Your Name, which is basically like a top of the cap to the 80s Sunset
Yeah.
Strip, and we sort of based it on that. On this one, I reckon we sort of did write a little bit more about something rather than just writing music. And you've got the second single Upside Down.
I think you do that naturally as you grow as a band though, don't you? You kind of just you fall into that.
Yeah, and obviously things is 80s. Anyway, it's brought that out.
Most bands can write good songs, but writing good choruses, I think, is the truth. I think we try to sort of sway more that way with this album. Actually think about it a bit more.
stuff you can sing along to.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. So, you know, the new album coming out. Have you got plans to put a tour together? Promote it?
We have got, it'll be early next year, I think now. We've got dates leading up to the end of the year, but I think get Christmas out of the way in early next year. We'll have one.
Cool. Yeah. We've got gigs already. We've got the album launch on October the 7th at Ghost in Nottingham.
Yeah.
Which is that cool. So the album comes out 29th of September. That's the week after.
Should be a good night, that should.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we head up north to the Church House in Sheffield.
Sheffield,
It's
yeah.
Halloween weekend, isn't it?
Cutler's Arms.
Yeah.
With
Halloween,
AC/DC tribute band.
Oh right, yeah.
So that'll be
So that's two gigs I've got in there, Band and
Shout out to them.
Halloween.
Yes, that's Halloween weekend, yeah.
I will be there. I promise you.
Good lad.
Yeah.
8th of September we're doing an acoustic show at the Guildhall.
Which is very unlike us.
Yeah.
In Leicester,
So
okay, yeah.
acoustic-ish.
Acoustic-ish.
And then on the 9th we play the Tap and Tumbler in Nottingham. I'd like to say that.
Cool. Brilliant stuff. So, that's the album then. Now we're talking to one of your greatest fans, only a few minutes ago, Sean Caldwell. Now you've got two Seans who are big fans of you, ain't you? Sean Caldwell and Sean Hill. And Sean said to me, he says, you know what, if you'll get these guys on at Steel Post Festival on the 7th of September next year in 2024, they said they would fund it.
Yeah.
Guys, would you do it?
We're in.
Let's do it.
We're in because they've got massive wallets.
If it means Sean's got to fork some money out, then yeah, we're doing it.
Absolutely.
We'll lead him dry.
And
You heard it first here,
it won't be a
Bulldog.
one-day festival,
It's all
it'll be a
going
four-day festival.
It's going to charity, right? Isn't it? So we'll bleed Sean dry. We will.
50% discount on the fee. So
We will,
that's free.
absolutely. And we'll even do it 50% less than we normally do it, so you know what a grand is fine.
Oh, lads.
Do you hear that, Sean?
Eat.
Sean, I'm sorry, mate. I've cost you a few bob here. Blame Sean Caldwell.
See what they do with it.
Lads, I thank you very much for that.
Thanks a lot, man.
So much.
Nice one, cheers.
So,
Cheers, well done.
okay, so who are your main influences then?
Do you want me to start?
We'll go this way.
Okay, we'll go this way. So, yeah.
Run.
Do you know what Spandau
Bronski
Ballet?
beats.
Salt and
Spandau
pepper,
Ballet.
you know.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Pet Shop Boys.
Reynolds Girls. No.
Erasure.
So it's really I guess for me it's obvious, you know, it's the big guys of the 80s, so Eddie Van Halen,
Yeah.
Vita Bratta, and
Yep.
Bruce Gillick.
Brilliant stuff, yeah.
Okay.
How about yourself, Ben?
Send back Skid Row. That.
Oh, Skid
Goes
Row.
down.
Yeah.
I think it's Guns N' Roses and what?
Pretty much the same for me. I like a bit bluesy stuff as well. That kind of comes into my, falls into my.
Yeah, I like blues myself.
Yeah, I love that sort of stuff.
And me, Blink-182, Travis Barker growing up, drummers obviously my influence in bands, and then got with these guys, and they introduced me to the world of the 80s rock.
Yeah.
And Tommy Aldridge then from Whitesnake.
Yeah.
Tommy Aldridge really, like the 1990 gone into live performances, drum solo.
Good choice.
One of the only drum solos I totally like drum solos, even not being a drummer.
Nobody
But
does.
yeah, but Tommy Aldridge drum solo, jumps a stick, plays with his hands, that's, you know, and he goes for it. And see me drum, it's sort of similar.
Yeah, yeah. And I think all them influences you just mentioned really do reflect in your music, you know. Not sure about Erasure and you know, the rest certainly do.
I did.
Did you?
I had to, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. So, got any future plans to tour the album then?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we want the album to go out first, get people to know the album, then we're looking around January time, start touring in the new year. Like I said, we've got a few special gigs lined up before the album launch, which we've mentioned already, but yeah, we want to put a few dates together, like a few weekends back to back.
Yeah.
That's what we want to do.
So, if you want us, ask.
Yeah. If you want Hell's Addiction to play a gig for you, ask them.
Sean will pay.
Yeah, Sean will pay.
Yeah, Sean will play. 2 Sean's up here. They'll split it between them.
Yeah. Go for less.
Yeah. So, absolutely brilliant gig today, guys.
Thank you.
Really enjoyed it, and I really look forward to seeing you on tour, on the road and everything. And
Thank you very much.
is there any links to pre-order the album?
Hellsaddiction.com.
Yeah, for the pre-order.
Hellsaddiction.com. Get on
Pre-order
it.
the album now.
Pre-order it. You need it in your life, Bulldog Cats.
There's hoodies, there's t-shirts, there's
Vinyl.
And
vinyl.
actual vinyl. Yeah.
Actual vinyl. Are we talking coloured vinyl?
Oh, I don't know.
If you want to pay for it, just ask us, we'll get one.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go, there you go. So, Hell's Addiction, my gracious thanks for this interview, and I wish you all the very best, and you know what, we're going to see you at Steel Post Festival next year.
You will.
Yeah, yeah.
See you next year.
Absolute legends, all of you.
Thanks a lot, mate. Top man.
Yep.
Cheers, dude.
Cheers, man.
Hell's Addiction! And the stuff just fell on the floor.